Good morning, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, let's talk about yesterday. So yesterday, didn't see a whole lot, but there was really good volume coming in on AIG because it was going to have earnings at the end of the day. And I love to trade these guys before the earnings come out and afterwards if there's volume. So yesterday was a fantastic trade. I was bullish above 56.20, ran all the way to 56.80, a nice 60 cents on that one. So you can see this morning it's trading down, but look, there's hardly any volume, so I don't really know where the buyers or sellers are, but 55 is definitely a level to watch on that. So my traders really didn't do all too much yesterday, but the pre-market bandit made a day's pay before the market opened, trading nuggets, a great trading bandit. Also have to give a shout out to the cowboy who had a fantastic trade on a SWHC, like a true cowboy. But the trader of the day goes to a guy that is always adding phenomenal stuff to the room, and his name is Ron, and I call him the detective. Thank you so much, Ron, for your charts, for your insights, and of course your sloppy head and shoulders. We love those patterns. Keep them coming. Much appreciated. All right, so what are we watching today? Well, we have earnings. Pfizer came out this morning, and watching 33.80. All right, I'll be bullish above that. There's definitely room to go to the upside. Let me just show you this chart, right? If it can break above there, there is room to go even up to 35, high-end target. 34 will be resistance as well. You can see we tested that already this morning. Also, have my eye on Sprint. Loving this. We spotted refreshing this morning. If you're in the Java pit, you learn what that looks like. On the bid at 360, Arca, sneaky little guy, was adding on the bid. So I'm, of course, bullish above 360. And there's room to run on this, 375, 380, right? Even possibly 396 right up here. So keep your eye, but definitely bullish above 360. And we're watching BP, definitely a lot of volume this morning. But it looks like it hit bottom. There's buying that's coming in here on this candle, you can see. So I'm only going to be bearish if it breaks down below 32.70. Could have a little bit of a retracement, or we can look to possibly short this when she comes up to the 33 on the way down again. But there was definitely a little bit of buying coming in here. Also watching USO this morning as well. I was up really early this morning. I spotted some selling at 10.95. All right, so that's going to be the level to watch on this. It's been holding this 10.90 all morning. So those are definitely levels. If she can break down through 10.90, you know, very bearish, but we'll see if she pops back up to 10.95. You can see the oil futures, let me just blow this up for you, have been holding on to this S1 level. All right, so in order to be bearish on oil, we need to break below that. All right, right now we could have a retracement back up to 45 or even the pivot. The dollar's showing some weakness, but still oil not as strong as it should be. So something is definitely up. Gold. Gold is holding this pivot as well. Watching this 1300 level. We already tested it once. We pulled back. If we could break above that, we could see another bigger gold rally. So come watch me trade these stocks and so much more at the Java Pit Trading Room at www.thestockwhisperer.com. It's only $9.95 for a 30-day trial membership. What are you guys waiting for? Happy trading, everybody.